Okay, I'm super hyped. Let's unbox Streann Studio today. First impression, the interface looks clean and modern. Let's see what makes this platform special for creators. Streann Studio lets you monetize your video content easily. You get options like pay-per-view and memberships. That means you can charge viewers for exclusive access. I'm setting up my first pay-per-view event right now. It only took a few clicks. Super intuitive setup process. I love how you can customize your video player branding. There's even an option to launch your own branded app. Perfect for creators, educators, or any business with videos. Let's test the membership feature, adding subscription tiers. It's easy to set up monthly or annual plans for fans. The dashboard shows real-time analytics and revenue stats. I can track which videos perform best and adjust pricing. Uploading content is fast, and video quality stays sharp. There's support for live events as well as on-demand videos. I tried streaming a live class. No lag, smooth experience. Integration with payment gateways is seamless and secure. I appreciate the control over my audience and earnings. No more relying on ad revenue or third-party platforms. Streann Studio gives you full ownership of your content. The branded app feature really sets it apart from competitors. You can launch on iOS, Android, Roku, huge audience reach. The support team responded quickly to my questions. Honestly, setup was way easier than I expected. If you're a creator who wants to monetize directly, look here. Educators and businesses, this is a game changer for you too. One warning, there's a learning curve for advanced features. But the AppSumo deal makes it a no-brainer right now. Overall, Streann Studio delivers on its promises. Ready to take control of your video revenue? Check out Streann Studio on AppSumo before the deal ends.